Today I'm going to be telling you all about MetaGear, a play-to-earn metaverse and NFT-based game being created by a world-class team of game developers and blockchain experts. We have all seen the hype around play-to-earn and metaverse games over the past several months, and that hype has only continued to grow, so high-quality products in this area of crypto can have a lot of potential. The MetaGear game itself is scheduled to go live in March, so it is just a couple of months away. There are also a lot of other exciting updates and events happening in the near future, and in this video I will be telling you all about those along with all the other aspects and features of MetaGear that sets it apart from other play-to-earn and metaverse projects. Before I get started with that, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell icon so you do not miss out on more videos like this, as well as everything else I post here on the channel. So, to start off with, I have a bit of a background on the people and company behind MetaGear, as they are a big factor on why it has so much potential. The dev team alone consists of more than 100 talented members from the Rocket Studio of OneSoft, which is a top mobile game studio in Asia. OneSoft has years of experience with creating games and knows exactly how to create them in a way that users will enjoy and want to continue playing. They are a top 2 game developer in Southeast Asia, and they have more than 300 million downloads on the Google Play and App Stores, and their games have more than 5 million daily active users. Some of the hit games that have come from the studio include Space Shooter, Galaxy Attack, and Imposter Smasher. Those are already some impressive credentials, but they stand out even further because along with being skilled in normal game creation and monetization, they are also experienced with building and promoting within the blockchain ecosystem. As you can see, there are a lot of individuals from the team shown here on the site with information on their personal areas of experience. We can also see here the advisors for the project helping to guide it to success. These include Peter Westerbacka, who is the father of Angry Birds and founder of Rovio Entertainment, Yida Gao, a VC with Chima Capital, and a handful of executives from FPT Telecom and Software. So, now that you know a bit more and have a better understanding of how good the team behind MetaGear is, let's get into some of the details of the game itself. The core gameplay for MetaGear consists of creating and customizing unique fighting machines and then engaging in combat with them through a variety of different game modes. In the campaign game mode, players will join and battle daily to remain their rank and receive rewards such as blueprints, which are an important item used to create new NFTs. In the quick fight mode, players will form 3-person squads to battle, with the winner being the team with the last player standing. There will also be a weekly tournament available to all players where they will have to battle through continuous rounds until a champion is decided. While not battling, players will be able to explore other aspects of the MetaGear metaverse, which the team describes as its own miniature world and economic ecosystem. Inside that world, players can socialize using the in-game chat and take advantage of a variety of different methods to earn some crypto and other rewards. Some of those methods are outlined here on the site. First, you can buy and sell in-game items which are represented by NFTs on the MetaGear marketplace or on other NFT marketplaces. If you create or customize a rare fighting machine, you can sell it at auction to obtain the highest price possible for it. You can also collect and trade items to customize the garage, where you store and customize your different machines. Players can also expand their garage and even hire workers for them. Lastly, you can farm and stake the native gear token to bring in some extra rewards in the form of interest. Another way that MetaGear stands out is in the level of customization that will be available to players. The team is creating more than 1,000 different variations in design for players' gears, and just a few examples of what these machines can look like are shown here on the site. This also gives an idea of the overall graphic style of the game, which has a classic pixel art inspired look. The official MetaGear website went live around a month ago, and the community has already grown to more than 500,000 members across the various social platforms. The project has also been covered in more than 400 different domestic and international publications, including some very well known such as Yahoo Finance and MarketWatch. There are a lot of hype around the project and its imminent launch in March. A bit of evidence of that hype is that the first Metabox NFT sold out in only 5 seconds, and more than 3.5 million people have added MetaGear to their watch list on CoinMarketCap. The native Gear tokens IDO and listing event are coming up on the 18th. The IDO is taking place on Bullperks, Crystal Go, Starpunk, and Launchverse launchpads. The token will be based on the Binance Smart Chain and will have a total supply of 1 billion, which will be distributed as shown here. As you can see, there will be a lot of tokens available for incentives and ecosystem rewards, with 20% and 18% of the supply allocated to those categories respectively. There will also be 8% of the supply used as liquidity, 8% for marketing, and 13% for development. If we take a look at the roadmap, we can see that there are a lot coming in the near future. During January, the team is completing their internal testing of the game beta, releasing the staking and farming features, and completing the public sale and DEX listing of Gear. In February will be the beta test of the game by some key opinion leaders and a centralized exchange listing for the token. Then in March will come the release of the game on the web and for Android users. At this point, the PvP and campaign modes will be available along with the NFT auction and renting features. Following in Q2 will come the release of the game on iOS, the first tournament season, guilds, and 3 vs 3 PvP, an in-game chat, and the pilot NFT release. In Q3, Garage and the world map will be implemented along with the ability for players to attack and defend garages. The game will also move to a multi-chain testnet, and NFTs will be made available cross-chain. Ending the year in Q4, MetaGear will go live on multi-chain mainnet and other new features will be implemented. All in all, MetaGear stands out from other GameFi projects thanks to the skill, experience, and size of the team behind it, as well as the pace at which the team is building. We can already see that there is a lot of interest in this project, and the game has not even gone live yet, so this could definitely be a project to keep your eyes on. Something else worth mentioning is that once the game goes live, the team has a plan to attract users from outside the crypto space through an alternative free-to-play server. Once a player gets familiar with the game there, the team will have an option for them to convert to the play-to-earn version. This is a fairly unique feature that could really help to build up the user base over time. As a reminder, the IDO and listing event are in just a couple of days on the 18th if you are interested in those. If you want to learn more about MetaGear, you can do so through the links in the description. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one.